tripping, back and forth with your nigga. Scared to lose what you got as you looking for something different. Me, fly tripping, international tripping. I got my numbers up and now they pay for my statistics. Yeah, young nigga, started off with a vision. Built the shit up from nothing to the critics, I ain't missing. Now, transition, so check out how I'm living. We V12 pushes and they transmissions is flipping. Nigga, get your bitch, cause I be bitch getting. Treat her like she wanna be treated, but I ain't tricking. Beat it like she want her shit beat it, but I don't kiss it. Just blame it on that shit that we smoking, plus we sipping. Look, double cups, she tryna double up. Cause I just hit it once, but she got a double nut. Nasty, since she used to double dutch. Too quick to fall in love, what the fuck? She said, if you are mine, if you are mine, girl, could you move? I wait and move. I breathe your hand. Look, now, if I was yours, and you was mine, would you do me like you do him and have someone on the side? So, keep your nigga while I stay on my grind. Just hit me up and we gon' spend some time. Look, if I was yours and you was mine, would you do me like you do him and have someone on the side? So, keep your nigga and I stay on my grind. Just hit me up and we gon' spend some time. Right?
All money in, no money out.
If you are mine.
Shout out to my Crenshaw girls. You know the real ones. You know like